It looks like Huawei is ready to shake up the flagship smartphone world again, because the first real-world images of the Huawei Mate 80 series have just leaked online. And if these photos are anything to go by, Huawei's next big release could mark one of its boldest design shifts in years. So what makes the Mate 80 Pro such a big deal? Well, for starters, Huawei isn't recycling last year's look. Gone is the square camera island from the Mate 70. This time, Huawei's going circular again, but with a twist. The leaked images reveal a futuristic circular camera module featuring a triangular lens layout inside. It's clean, balanced, and surprisingly premium looking, like something you'd expect from a concept phone, not a production model. 3 cameras are arranged in a triangle pattern. The top lens appears to be a periscope-style telephoto camera for those ultra-zoom shots, while the 2 lenses below are expected to be the main wide and ultra-wide sensors. On either side of that camera island, there are dual LED flashes and a mysterious extra sensor, likely a color or light sensor for better photo accuracy. Surrounding it all is a metallic ring that gives the phone a sleek, polished, almost luxury watch kind of vibe. Clearly, Huawei wants the Mate 80 Pro to scream premium. And based on the leaks, it's working. Even the color choices make a statement. Bright yellow and classic black. Both look modern and bold, but Huawei will almost certainly roll out more color variants when the lineup officially launches. Now, aside from that striking camera redesign, the rest of the Mate 80 Pro's body feels familiar, with curved edges, smooth finish, and a minimalist back panel. But what's really interesting is that leaked photos of the standard Mate 80 suggest it might have a different rear design, meaning this new triangular camera setup could be exclusive to the Pro and Pro Plus models. That's a clever move. It gives the higher-end versions a distinct visual edge, something that instantly tells you, yep, that's the Pro model. Now let's talk about what's under the hood. Huawei is reportedly preparing 3 main versions of this flagship: the Mate 80, Mate 80 Pro, and Mate 80 Pro Plus. But there might also be a luxury Mate 80 RS edition, rumored to include a titanium frame and a dual-layer OLED display for extra durability and richer visuals. And yes, Huawei is sticking to its in-house chips. Expect the latest Kirin processor, which should bring better performance, smoother multitasking, and improved energy efficiency. In short, this thing should fly through day-to-day tasks, even with Huawei's HarmonyOS instead of Android. Another big rumor: 100-watt fast charging that could refill your battery from 0 to full in record time. Something that'll put it head-to-head with brands like OnePlus and Xiaomi. And here's where things get wild. Some reports even suggest one of the Mate 80 models could feature a built-in cooling fan. Yes, a tiny fan right inside the phone that would help keep temperatures down during gaming or heavy workloads. It's an unusual but clever idea, one that might appeal to power users and mobile gamers alike. If these leaks are accurate, the Mate 80 lineup could be Huawei's most ambitious upgrade since the Mate 40 series. It's bold, futuristic, and unapologetically different. Huawei clearly wants to reclaim its status as a design leader, especially in the Chinese flagship market. But here's the part international users won't love. Just like previous Mate models, these new phones likely won't include any US-made components, and they won't support Google's standard Android apps. That means no Google Play Store, no Gmail, and no YouTube app out of the box. Huawei's HarmonyOS will continue to be the main software experience. Smooth, yes, but still limited when it comes to Western app support. So, for users outside China, importing the phone could be a tough sell, no matter how good the hardware looks.